Children, now I am taking exercise 11C, and question number 1 I am going to take, that is rupees 120 is to be divided between Hari and Gopi in the ratio 5:3. How much does each get? So first we will find the sum of ratio, that is 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Now we will find the share of Hari and share of Gopi. So share of Hari equal to share of ratio of Hari and the total ratio into the sum that we have to divide it. So 5 upon 8 into 120. 120 whenever we divide it by 8, we will get the 15, and 15 into 5, that will rupees 75. So share of Hari is rupees 75. Now share of Gopi will be 3 upon 8, as the ratio of Gopi is 3. So 3 upon the total ratio into 120, 3 upon 8 into 120, 120 upon 8, that is 15 into 3, that is 45. So share of Hari rupees 75, share of Gopi rupees 45. So amount 120 is divided between Hari and Gopi, that is 75 and 45. Children, I am taking question number 3, that is divide 81 into 3 parts in the ratio 2:3:4. So first we will find the sum of ratio, that is 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 9. First part equal to the ratio of first is 2 and the total ratio into the sum into the number whatever we have to divide it, that is 81. So 2 upon 9 into 81, 9 9 is 81 and 9 to the 18. So first part is 18. Similarly, we will find the second part and third part. The second ratio is 3, so 3 upon 9 into 81, 9 and the 81 again, 9 3 is 27. Third part equal to 4 upon 9, as the ratio of 4, third is 4, so 4 upon 9 into 81, 9 and the 81 again, 9 4 is 36. So first, second, third part are 18, 27 and 36. Children, now taking question number 6, in which given the angle of a triangles are in the ratio 3:7:8. Find the greatest and the smallest angles. So as you know all, the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the ratio, first we have to find the sum of the ratio, that is 3 plus 7 plus 8, that is 18 degree. 18, sorry. Greatest angle will have the greatest ratio, that is 8. So 8 upon 18 into 180, the sum of the angles. So 180 upon 18 will give the 10, and 10 into 8, that is 80 degree. So greatest angle is equal to 80 degree. Now we have to find the smallest angle. Smallest angle equal to the smallest ratio upon the total ratio into 180 degree, the sum of the angles of a triangle. So that is 180 divided by 18 will give you the 10, and 10 into 3, that is 30 degree. So smallest angles and the greatest angles are 30 degree and 80 degree. So in that manner you will do question number 6. Children, now taking question number 8, that is an alloy of zinc and copper weight 12 1/2 kg. If in the alloy the ratio of zinc and copper is 1:4, find the weight of copper in it. So first write the weight of zinc and copper, that is weight of alloy, that is 12 1/2 kg or 25/2 kg. Now we will find the sum of ratio. The ratio are 1:4, that is the sum of ratio 1 plus 4, that is 5. Weight of copper equal to the ratio of copper upon the total ratio into weight of alloy. So 4 upon 5 into 25/2, 5 5 is 25 and 2 2 is 4. So 5 2 is 10 kg. So weight of copper in alloy is 10 kg. Children, are taking question number 10, that is Mr. Gupta divides rupees 81,000 among his 3 children Ashok, Mohit and Geeta in such a way that Ashok gets 4 times what Mohit gets and Mohit gets 2.5 times what Geeta gets, and find the share of each of them. So first write the total amount that should be divided, that is rupees 81,000. Let the Geeta share equal to 1, we are taking as 1. So Mohit share will be 2.5 time of the Geeta share, that is 2.5 into 1, that will give the 2.5, and Ashok share equal to 4 times of Mohit share, that is 4 into 2.5 of the Mohit share, that is 10. So sum of the share equal to 1 plus 2.5 plus 10, that is 13.5. Now Geeta share equal to 1 as the share of Geeta equal to 1 and the total share into the sum, that is divided 81,000. So 13.5, the decimal we will remove and put in front of the 81,000, that will give the 8,10,000. Now divide 135 and 8,10,000 by 9. So 9 ones are 9 and 9 fives are 45. We can divide 135 by 9, that will give the 15, and 9 nines are 81, so that is 90,000. Now again we will divide 90,000 by 15, that will give the 6,000. Now 6,000 into 1, that is rupees 6,000. So Geeta share equal to rupees 6,000. Now we will find the Mohit share, that is Mohit, the share of Mohit is 2.5 and the total share 13.5 and the sum, that is 81,000. Now the same process we will take 13.5 whenever we divide 81,000, that will give the 6,000. So 6,000 into 2.5 will give you the 15,000. So Mohit share equal to 15,000. Now Ashok share equal to 10 upon the share of total share, that is 13.5. Again we will say the same process we will do. So 81,000 whenever divided by 13.5 will give the 6,000, and 6,000 whenever multiplied to 10, that will give the 60,000. So Ashok share equal to 60,000. So in that manner you will do the question number 10.